Let's say you want to make some gears and you don't have the luxury of a laser cutter, a 3D printer or a well-equipped workshop. What do you do about it? So to make gears, what we need to start with are discs, and these have been cut with a rather large hole saw in 10mm acrylic. What you would do now is either put them on an index head, use a gear cutter and cut the teeth out, or paste on a template and go at it with a fret saw. I want to introduce you to this stuff. This is power transmission belt, actually timing belt, and it comes in all kinds of sizes and all kinds of teeth, from this nice chunky one to this rather delicate one that you use in things like 3D printers. And really, it changes the rule book in making gears. All you do is wrap it round, chop it off, glue it down with super glue, and super glue is made to stick this stuff, and hey presto, instant gear. I thought that was just ridiculously easy. Okay, we've used acrylic, but you could use any material and create yourself a gear really easily, and in many sizes, because this belt comes in many sizes and you get it from Amazon or eBay. It's really easy to get hold of. And as we'd expect when we put them together, we turn the little one, and of course the big one turns. We turn the big one, and the little one goes crazy. That's absolutely brilliant. Now these belts are made to transmit power in all kinds of harsh conditions, so they're resistant to chemicals, they're resistant to heat and abrasion, because they have to last, and they glue the super glue as strong as the material itself. So they're certainly going to do the job that I want to do, because I'm going to be using this in an actual machine that I'm building. But I wanted to share that idea with you because I think that's a great way of making gears. If you don't happen to have a whole tool shop available to you, that does an awesome job. So I thought I would share it with you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching, and please do remember to like and subscribe.